for number 2, we're asked to do two things. First, we'll round each of these to the nearest 10,000. And then we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So, for the 10,000s, for the first one, that's going to be the 4. We have an 8 next to it. The 8 means that the 4 will turn into a 5. Because, in a sense, 48 would round to 50. Every number after the 5 becomes a 0. The numbers in front of the 5, before the 5, stay the same. So that's 150,000. So for our next one, the nearest 10,000 is the 8. There's a 3 next to it. And 83 would just round to 80. So that remains an 8. The 3 is not big enough to make it change. Everything after it becomes a 0. Everything in front of it stays the same. So on the next one, this is the 10,000s place. So therefore the 9 is big enough to make it change. Once again, we can think of 49 would round to 50. And then everything after it becomes zeros. Everything in front of it remains the same. So on the final one here, we have a 5. The 4 is not big enough to change it. So the 5 is going to stay the same, and everything after it is going to become a 0. The 3 is going to remain in front. So if the number after it is a 5 or greater, then we're going to go up. So this is an 8, so therefore the 4 went up. This right here was a 3, so therefore it just disappeared. This was a 9, so we added 1 to the 4. This was a 4, so we just got rid of it and kept them the same. Our next step is to put these in order from least to greatest. So our smallest one is going to be 150,000. Our next one will be 350,000. Then 380,000. And then finally our one with the millions is going to be the largest, 1,250,000.